In the dynamic world of business, why do some companies thrive and consistently outperform their competitors, while others falter and struggle to stay afloat? What separates the leaders from the followers? It often comes down to trust, the bedrock of any successful business relationship. Trust between the company and its customers, its partners, and its own employees. Customers expect consistency in the products and services they receive. They want to know what to expect every single time they interact with your brand. Employees want purpose. They need to understand how their individual contributions fit into the bigger picture and drive the company's overall success. Quality isn't just about the final product, the end result that the customer sees. It's about the entire system behind it, the intricate web of processes, procedures, and people that work together to create that final product. ISO 9000 is a framework for building trust, a globally recognized standard that provides a roadmap for organizations to establish and maintain a robust quality management system. It's not just a set of rigid rules to be followed blindly. It signals a commitment to quality, a promise to customers and stakeholders that the organization is dedicated to delivering excellence every time. ISO 9000 is a family of standards, a comprehensive suite of guidelines that address various aspects of quality management, that helps organizations deliver on their promises, consistently meeting and exceeding customer expectations. It provides a common language for quality management, facilitating communication and collaboration across different departments, locations, and even countries. The focus is on improving processes, streamlining workflows, and eliminating inefficiencies. Not just fixing problems after they arise, but proactively preventing them from happening in the first place. Adopting ISO 9000 creates a culture of quality throughout the organization, embedding quality principles into every aspect of the business. It tells employees their work matters, that their contributions are valued and essential to the company's success, and gives customers confidence, assuring them that they are doing business with a reliable and trustworthy organization. ISO 9000 isn't about paperwork, creating unnecessary bureaucracy, or stifling innovation. It's about clarity and consistency, ensuring that everyone in the organization is on the same page and working towards the same goals. It acts as a North Star, providing a clear sense of direction and purpose, guiding decisions and actions at all levels of the organization from the boardroom to the shop floor. When people understand the why behind their work, when they see the value in what they do, they're more engaged, more motivated, and more likely to go the extra mile. A quality management system is a journey of continuous improvement, a never-ending quest for excellence. That's the real power of ISO 9000, to transform organizations, empower employees, and deliver lasting success. How do we translate the abstract concept of quality into tangible, everyday actions within our organization? How do we ensure that quality isn't just a buzzword, but a lived reality? That's precisely where ISO 9001 comes in, offering a structured framework to guide our efforts. ISO 9001 is the specific, internationally recognized standard for building and maintaining a robust quality management system. It provides a clear roadmap for organizations of all sizes. It's a standard you can actually get certified for, demonstrating your commitment to quality to customers and stakeholders alike. If ISO 9000 is the overarching philosophy, the guiding principles behind quality management, ISO 9001 is the detailed blueprint, the practical guide for implementing that philosophy. Training is what turns this blueprint into practical, actionable skills that every employee can utilize in their daily tasks. The primary goal isn't rote memorization of procedures and policies. Instead, it's about fostering a deep understanding of how quality principles connect directly to their daily work and responsibilities. Training builds competence, documenting processes effectively, conducting thorough audits, and using data to drive informed decisions. Ultimately, it empowers employees at all levels to take ownership of quality within their respective roles. The ultimate aim of all this? To cultivate a culture of continuous improvement, relentlessly pursuing excellence through the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. Training transforms a static document, the ISO 9001 standard, into a living, breathing system that propels the entire organization towards sustained excellence. So what do you actually learn in ISO 9000 training? What are the key takeaways and core concepts that participants will grasp? It's built on a foundation of core principles, the bedrock upon which the entire system rests. These principles guide the implementation and maintenance of a robust quality management system. First and foremost, customer focus. Everything starts and ultimately ends with the customer. Their satisfaction is the ultimate measure of success. Training shows you exactly how to identify, understand, and consistently meet customer needs and expectations. Next, up leadership. Leaders inspire their teams and set the overall direction for quality initiatives within the organization. You'll learn precisely how effective leadership drives employee engagement, fosters a culture of quality, and ultimately leads to greater success. The process approach is absolutely key. This involves seeing the organization not as isolated departments, but as interconnected processes working together, not operating in silos. The training covers mapping out these processes, analyzing their effectiveness, and finding practical ways to improve them. Continuous improvement is absolutely central to ISO 9000, and it's achieved using the Plan Do Check Act or PDCA cycle. You'll also explore the structure and requirements of the ISO 9001, 2015 standard, including the importance of risk-based thinking in decision-making and the role of internal audits in ensuring compliance. The ultimate goal is to make the ISO 9001 standard practical, easily understandable, and readily accessible for real-world application and use within your business environment. Who needs ISO 9000 training? Anyone involved in delivering quality. Different roles need different training paths. Awareness or foundation courses give everyone a high-level overview and explain why quality matters. These courses build buy-in and a shared language. Internal auditor courses are for those checking if the system works, covering audit planning techniques and follow-up. These auditors are key to improvement. Lead auditor courses are for those leading audit teams, covering advanced skills and leadership. Each path is tailored to the role, ensuring the right skills at every level. The right training empowers everyone to contribute to quality. Where can you find ISO 9000 training? It's more accessible than ever. Choose online courses for flexibility. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer options for all levels. In-person workshops provide hands-on learning and expert guidance. Costs vary, but the investment pays off. For staff, training brings clarity, confidence, and purpose. It boosts engagement and job satisfaction. For organizations, it means fewer errors, less waste, and happier customers. A strong QMS leads to growth and resilience. ISO 9000 training is an investment in your people and your future. It all starts with why.